Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to find the minimum element of the array or the smallest element of the array. Among the array elements we will find the smallest element. Now let us assume that in the list of array elements we have the elements like 20, 15, 25, 10 and 40. Now we need to find the smallest element of the array. So the logic here is the same as max element. Initially we assume that the first element is the smallest element. Then we will come this smallest element we will store in a variable called min. So initially we will assign the value that is min equal to, how to assign first element to min equal to a of 0, that is the first element is assigned to minimum. Then we will compare with the other elements. If any element is smaller than this minimum element, that value will be assigned to minimum. So here initially we assume min equal to a of 0. Min equal to a of 0, that is the first element is assigned to minimum. Then we will compare with the remaining elements. 15, so less than minimum s, then that 15 will be assigned. After that, that is among two elements, 15 is the smallest element. Then we will compare with 25. 25 less than 15 s, sorry, no, so 25 will not be assigned. Then 10 less than minimum s, the 10 will be assigned. In that way we will compare with the remaining elements. The logic here is for I equal to 1, we are starting from 1 because 0th element is already stored in minimum. Then I less than 5, I plus plus. So then we compare if a of I less than minimum. If a of I is less than minimum, then minimum equal to a of I. That value will be assigned. Then after coming out of the loop, the minimum element will be displayed onto the screen. So here if you observe the logic, I equal to 1, 1 less than 5 s, a of 1 15, 15 less than minimum. Initially what is the minimum value? 20. So 15 less than 20 s enters, then assigns 15 as minimum. That is among first two elements 15 is the smallest element. Then again I plus plus. Now I value becomes 2. 2 less than 5 s. A of 2 is 25. 25 less than minimum now is 15. 25 less than 15 false. Then I plus plus 3. 3 less than 5 s. A of 3. What is A of 3? 10. 10 less than minimum s. The 10 will be assigned to minimum. Then again I plus plus 4. 4 less than 5 s. A of 4. What is A of 4? 40. 40 less than minimum? No, that is 40 less than 10 false. Then I plus plus 5, 5 less than 5 false. What is the value in minimum? 10. The smallest element is 10. Now let us see the execution part. Okay, this is the code for greatest element. Now let me change this to smallest element. Here declare the variable min, then accepting part is same, min equal to a of 0. Then if a of I less than minimum, if a of I is less than minimum, change this to min element or smallest element of the array equal to min. Now save. Let me trace and show you this program. So what is the problem? Not max. What is the variable? Min. So save once again. Then trace. Accept elements into the array. Like accept the elements 20, then 15, then 25. You can enter any values. 10, then 40. Now let us check the output screen. Then accept my min equal to a of 0. What is a of 0? Initially we assume that minimum element equal to 20. So 1 less than 5 s. A of I 15. 15 less than 20 s. That 15 will be assigned to minimum. Now a of I is 25. 25 less than 15 false. Then again 10 less than 15 s, the 10 will be assigned to minimum. Now a of I is 40 less than 10 false, then I plus I value becomes 5 less than 5 false, comes out of the loop. Min element is 10. You can see the 10 will be displayed onto the screen. Here you can enter any type of values. Okay, right, execute this program. If you have any doubts, please post in comments. Thank you for watching.